How to change BlueSky email. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's video we will see how we can change email on BlueSky account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the BlueSky application and log into your account if you have not logged in yet. If you're logged in, you will land in your home page. Now from here, navigate to top left corner and tap on the hamburger icon. Here, tap on settings. Now once you're on the settings page, tap on account. Now under your account, at the very top, just below your email, there is one option to change your email. So tap on change email. Now you have to clear your old email and then enter your new email address. Once you're done with that, tap on request change. After that, you will receive a verification code. Enter the correct verification code. If you are verified, your email will be changed in your BlueSky account with your new email. So that's the way to change email on BlueSky account, and that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.